What would you change if you were the most influential person in the world? Favorite old school song and get into it. How seriously do you take the criticism you receive on social media? If you could go back in time, what would you do again? What would you do differently? Share something good which happened to you this year. Hi Mamarazi, this is me Reem Sheikh and I'm playing the segment called Shit Happens. God save me. Okay. If the world was ending in an hour, what is the one thing that you will do? Probably pray for all the sins that I have done so that I'm not sent in hell but in heaven. So probably just pray namaz and ask for forgiveness for all the sins I've done. How seriously do you take the criticism you receive on social media? I take none. I take none. I don't read the comments, and even if I do, I just read it. Probably if I'm sitting with a friend and we're getting bored and we're like, "Acha, theek hai, chalo kuch mazedar karte ho. Let's do something fun." That's the only time I read the comments. So I take none, especially on social media. अगर कोई वैसे कोई एक्टर आके मुझे बोले that ये परफॉर्मेंस में आप बेटर कर सकते थे or something, that is something I'll take it with open hands. But social media, no shit. If you could go back in time, what would you do again? What would you do differently? Nothing at all. And I'm not saying this just to sound cool or something, but I love the journey that I've lived. I've learned so much and I'm really happy. So there's nothing. I don't want to go back in the past. What would you change if you were the most influential person in the world? I think I would really change like how we are so easy to judge someone. Like एक point पे मैं भी ऐसी थी, but I was growing up and making passing comment on someone was fun and considered cool and stuff like that. But as I grow older, I realize that it's not cool at all. So yeah, probably judging someone and passing comments very easily. ये मैं नहीं खोल रही, बहुत कुछ लिखा है, इधर से दिख गया कि बहुत बड़ा बड़ा कुछ लिखा था. Sing the chorus of your I think वही खोल लेना चाहिए था. Of your favorite old school song and get into it. Get into it like what? So Lag Ja Gale is one of my favorite songs, but I can't sing to save my life. And if you guys want कि आपके जितने भी subscribers वगैरह है वो आपको छोड़ के ना जाए, so it's better that I don't sing. So let's just skip that. If you could write a book that was destined to be a bestseller, what would you write about? I write journals, so I think probably one day I will give that iPad जो मेरे लिए भी जान से ज़्यादा प्यारा है, मेरे फ़ोन से ज़्यादा प्यारा है, because अगर वो किसी के हाथ लग गया तो मैं गई. But probably one day I'll give it to some good writer and ask him to convert all those things into a book. But मैं तो नहीं लिख पाऊँगी. But I would love to share my experience, my life journey, and what all I've learned being in this industry for so many years. I would love to share that one day, but वो मैं नहीं लिख पाऊँगी. Sorry. You guys can probably recommend me some great writers, maybe. What was that one emotion on set which you always felt but never showed it to anyone? सेट पे तो सबसे ज़्यादा इमोशंस दिखाना ज़रूरी होता है, अदरवाइज हाउ विल आई एक्ट. सो इफ आई एम फीलिंग एनीथिंग एवर ऑन अ सेट, आई ऑलवेज डू इट, आई से इट एंड आई परफॉर्म इट. सो सेट पे तो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है इमोशंस दिखाना, और मैं सारे इमोशंस दिखाती हूँ. रियल लाइफ में मे बी जैसे भाई write down one thing you want to let go of this year and read it aloud. RIP. राइट डाउन बोल देती हूँ, लेट गो. फिर नया साल तो शुरू हो गया ना, अभी जनवरी से मैं हाउ विल आई नो कि अभी इस आने वाले दिसंबर में व्हाट आई वांट टू लेट गो ऑफ. सी आई नो हाउ टू गेट माई सेल्फ आउट ऑफ एनी सिचुएशन सो वेल. शेयर समथिंग गुड विच हैपेंड टू यू दिस ईयर. साल तो अभी शुरू हुआ है, बट साल की शुरुआत ही बहुत अच्छी रही है, बिकॉज आई जस्ट हैड अ रिलीज. That's एक फर्जी love story. So that's one good thing that's happened this year beginning. Last year तो बहुत कुछ. Last year was fun. I had a great year. So yeah. If you have one power, which is that one thing where you will go and why? The one, where will I go, why? I've been really willing to go to Saudi because I really want to go to Medina, but वो postpone होता जा रहा है. So if I have the power, I'll just put myself there right now. But yeah, it'll happen soon. सारे पढ़ने हैं. What makes you follow an account on social media? It really has to be a very close friend, otherwise I won't follow. I'm sorry. I don't take social media pressure of just following someone because I have to. So you really got to be a friend to me for me to follow you. So yeah, otherwise you should be funny. Then I'll probably follow you. How has your journey in the industry been till now? If you were to describe it, it's been beautiful, and my life has been beautiful, and I always say that life is beautiful. So my journey has been beautiful. I've learned so much, and there's a lot to learn more. So yeah. And basa abhi last one. What's one thing that you're proud to have learned in life? Patience. Very important. Patience, सब्र. And वो मैंने सीख लिया है, जो कि मैं और सीखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, because you know there are going to be times when people are really going to test your patience, and that time ये जो सीख है वो बहुत काम आती है. So yeah, patience is something that I've learned and I'm very proud of. Thank you. Hi, this is Reem Sheikh and you're watching me on Mamarazzi.